Good evening, students. Today I am teaching you the role of health and family welfare in India. According to WHO, World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. The important programs started by the government for promoting health and family welfare are as follows. First one, Cancer Control Program. Every year, about 4 lakh deaths occur due to cancer. In view of the magnitude of the problem, the Cancer Control Program was launched. Launched means started in 1975 to 76 and was revised in 1984-85. Again, it also revised in December 2004. Second, Mental Health Program. National Mental Health Program was started in 1982 with the objectives to ensure availability and accessibility of minimum mental health care for all, to encourage mental health knowledge and skills, and to promote community participation in mental health service development. Third, emergency facilities of state hospitals located on national highways. This is a project for upgradation and strengthening of emergency trauma care facility in state government hospitals located on national highways with a view to provide immediate treatment to the victims of road traffic injury. Fourth, Central Government Health Scheme. CGHS is a scheme for providing health care to serve central government employees and their dependent family members. Fifth, Bone Disease Control Program or National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. The NVBDCP is a wide program for prevention and control of vector-borne diseases, namely malaria, filaria, Kala-Azar, dengue, and chikungunya. Sixth, Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, PMSSY. Government of India has approved the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana in March 2006 with the objective of correcting regional imbalance in the availability of affordable, reliable health care services and also to promote facilities for quality medical education in the country. Seventh, other health programs. Other major health programs are prevention and control of deafness, prevention and control of fluorosis, Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi, leprosy eradication program, that is NLEP, TB control program, TB means tuberculosis, and program for control of blindness, NPCB, and iodine deficiency disorders control program. Eighth, National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. It was launched in 2005. The main aim of the mission is to establish a fully functional, community-owned, decentralized health delivery system to ensure simultaneous action on a wide range of determinants of health like water, sanitation, education, nutrition, social and gender equality. Ninth, Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY, is a safe motherhood intervention under the National Rural Health Mission, being implemented with the objective of promoting institutional delivery among the poor pregnant women. The Yojana was launched on 12th April 2005, is being implemented in all states and union territories. In institutional delivery means hospital delivery in the hospitals, not at home. That is institutional delivery. 10th, Universal Immunization Program. Immunization program in India was introduced in 1978. Immunization means various kinds of injections. Under this, Government of India is providing vaccination to prevent 6 vaccine preventable diseases, that is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, measles and severe pulse polio immunization. Family welfare. In 1952, India launched the world's first national program emphasizing family planning for reducing birth rates to stabilize the population at a level consistent with the requirement of national economy. Its main aim is to promote reproductive health and reduce maternal, infant, child mortality. Mortality means death rate. Nationwide, the small family norm is widely accepted. Contraceptive use is generally rising. The salient features of the family planning services are as follows. Salient means important features. First one, counseling, access to and provision of good quality services and follow-up care are emphasized in all services. Second, fixed day static services, FDS approach in sterilization services. Third, in-state sterilization camps are continued. Fourth, revised compensation scheme for sterilization acceptors. Next, quality assurance committees, QACS, have been constituted in all the states and districts. Emergency contraception pills are effective for preventing conception due to unplanned and unprotected sex. Guidelines have been developed and disseminated regarding its use. Family Welfare Linked Health Insurance Scheme, that is FWLHIS, as a measure to encourage people to adopt permanent method of family planning. The FWLHIS, Family Welfare Linked Health Insurance Scheme, has been implemented in 1981 to compensate the acceptors of sterilization for the loss of wages for the day on which he or she attended the medical facility for undergoing sterilization. Sterilization means birth control operation. MCQs. First one, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana was launched in the year dash. Answer, 2008. Second, dash is a fund that financially supports poor patients suffering from major life-threatening diseases. Answer, Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. Third, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana provides health insurance coverage to dash. Answer, workers in the unorganized sector. Thank you, students.